Okay guys, finally dumating na yung order natin na band sa Fitbit Versa 3. Meron tayong red, maroon, black, light gray, white, dark gray, pink, yellow, purple, navy blue, light blue, and I think this is purple. So 12 different colors of band for my watch. I am very excited. There are like so many options that I can play with, like everyday different colors for my band. So we're gonna try it on, guys. All of these color that we got today. So ito guys yung original band niya. Medyo malaki sa in-order ko ngayon kumpara. Medyo malaki siya, pero ito yung original band niya. Okay guys, start tayo sa red. Ang ganda. Yan yung red. Maroon. Ganda. Sobrang ganda. Guys, yan na yung maroon. Ang ganda ng black. Parang maganda talaga yung black kasi pwedeng i-pair kahit sa anong outfit. So, yan yung black. Cute din ng gray. Lahat sila magagandang kulay. Yan yung gray, guys. Ganda. White. Dark gray. Ang ganda rin ng dark gray. Dark maroon. Ganda rin niya. Ganyan yung tsura, guys. Dark blue. Ganda ng dark blue. Parang buhay na buhay yung color niya. Navy blue. Ganda. Ganda rin ang kulay niya. Yan guys. Purple guys. Ang ganda. Ganda ng purple. Cute. Yellow. Ganda rin. Ang color ng yellow. And last guys, yung pink. The same sila ng parang pares yung kulay ng original band na comes with a watch. So this is the last one, pink.